Hello there everyone and welcome to the start of the Stockport Diverts here at Styal. And kicking us off we see the departure of 323-231, working the 0754 Northern service from Crewe through to Manchester Piccadilly. Taking us by surprise with stock HDO1 is 67007, working 1 Whiskey 11 for transport from Wales from Cardiff Central through to Manchester Piccadilly. Passing fast on Divert for Avanti West Coast is 390.042, working 1 Alpha 11 from Manchester Piccadilly through to Milton Keynes Central. Next train out to parties 323-233, working the 0809 Northern service from Manchester Piccadilly through to Crewe. Passing fast on Divert for cross country is 220025, working 1 off the 10 from Manchester Piccadilly through to Bournemouth. Passing fast on Divert with stock HDO1 for transport for Wales is 67007, working 1 Victor 37 from Manchester Piccadilly through to Cardiff Central. Passing fast on Divert for cross country is 220032 and 220015, working 1H17 from Birmingham New Street through to Manchester Piccadilly. And takes us on to our next station, here comes 323-234, working the 0849 Northern service from Crewe through to Manchester Piccadilly. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then folks.